We know it can be frustrating to visit the computer help desk only to be met with a closed sign hanging on the door. In this video, we will show you how the FUYL Tower Smart Locker lets us offer more convenient pickup and drop-off options when the computer help desk is closed. It is also important to note the FUYL Tower is monitored electronically and by the school's security system. Let's get started. When you walk up to the FUYL Tower, you'll see an iPad menu with 3 categories. The charging option will let you place your laptop in a secure locker to charge while you're in class. Tapping on loaning will let you drop off a loaner or pick up one if needed. And finally, the repairs option will let you drop off or pick up a device repair. Let's go ahead and tap on the repairs option and then select drop off a repair. You will now be prompted with a login for your North Allegheny email. Once entered, you will be prompted for your Tiger ID and password. When asked if you want to remain signed in, check the box that is labeled "Don't show this again" and then tap No. Each category from the main menu will have prompts corresponding to that function. In our case, we are prompted to select the reason best matching our issue. We are going to tap on Broken Screen. Here you are given space to briefly explain your issue. This information can help the technician with troubleshooting and will be used to automatically create a service ticket under your student ID. Tap Continue when ready. The iPad camera will now open. You'll find a yellow metallic sticker on the bottom of your device. You can scan the barcode on the bottom to automatically enter in your device ID. You can also tap on Enter manually and enter the device ID number using the on-screen keyboard. Be sure to enter the full name, which includes the letters T, S, followed by all 7 numbers. The FUYL Tower will now open a locker door. If you're dropping off a device for repair, the locker will contain a loaner for you to use in the meantime. You may place your device inside and plug into the provided charger if needed. Carefully close and secure the door until it locks. If you dropped off a device for repair, be sure to check your email, as the help desk will reach out to you when your device is ready. When interacting with the FUYL Tower, each main menu category will feel familiar and will only offer prompts specific to that workflow. For instance, if you only need to charge your laptop, the tower will open an empty bay for charging only. Similarly, if you tap on Loaning, you will have options to pick up or return a borrowed loaner. To learn more about the FUYL Tower Smart Locker, you can contact the Computer Help Desk or visit us at northallegheny.org.